Now, of course, we're almost out of time, and there's always more you can say about a chart. But I hope that this has given you some idea of how astrology works in the day-to-day. I hope it's given you a look at planets that might not be particularly good at the start, but obviously Alysa Liu has done very well in using her astrological energy to get the things done that she wants to get done. I am very curious to see what happens to her in the future. I'm going to be following her career. Hopefully someday she'll give us her birth time. I would absolutely love that, just for our curiosity's sake. But I'm happy to take any questions about what we've discussed tonight, if anyone has any. Well, I want to thank all of you for joining me tonight for this live stream. For the record, I am happy to look at other charts that people find interesting. I'm a big fan of the true crime stuff, so I often revert to things like serial killers. But I wanted to do something a little more uplifting this week, especially since this is a person who has really triumphed and has had a lot of different challenges in her life. And obviously she's overcome quite a few of them. And she's really amazed us as overall. So anyway, as I said earlier, I sincerely appreciate you being here with me tonight. I look forward to seeing you next week for another chart. Once again, if you have suggestions for me, I am very, very happy to have them. And I thank you as always for your attention.